If you invested $1,000 into Amazon 30 years ago, you'd be a millionaire today. That potential makes everyone want to hunt for the next explosive unicorn stock. But the math shows that the vast majority of individual stock picks fail and eventually collapse, taking the investor's money with them. You remove that dangerous guesswork by using an exchange-traded fund, or ETF. Instead of betting on one fragile company, an ETF buys a basket holding hundreds of stocks at once. You stop predicting which specific company will win and simply buy the entire track. In 2007, Warren Buffett placed a $1 million bet against a highly paid hedge fund manager. Buffett claimed that a simple, unmanaged index fund would easily beat the expensive stock-picking experts. This chart shows the exact results of that 10-year timeline. The passive index returned 7.1% a year. The active manager managed only a 2% return after fees. Over a long timeline, a passive, automated index mathematically outperforms human intuition. To build this automated portfolio, the first tool is an ETF like VOO. Buying a single share gives you immediate exposure to the S&P 500, which represents the 500 largest companies in the United States economy. Its true strength is a specific mechanical rule. The index automatically ejects failing companies. If a company inside the fund shrinks below the top 500 threshold, the fund removes it and buys a growing competitor to take its place. Sears was once a retail behemoth and dominant part of the S&P 500, but as the company began to collapse, the fund dropped the stock. This mechanism guarantees that you always own the market's current winners without ever having to manually sell the losers. The second wealth basket, SCHD, acts as a cash engine. It generates value through dividends, which are direct profit-sharing checks deposited into your bank account just for being an owner. This fund targets legacy consumer brands, like Coca-Cola. These are cash-generating businesses, selling goods that people buy steadily, even during an economic recession. Many investors fall into a yield trap, chasing the highest available dividend payouts. When weak, unstable companies offer high yields, they eventually slash those payments as their profits dry up, causing the stock price to drop simultaneously. Reliable income requires a strict filter. SCHD only selects companies that have a proven, unbroken track record of paying out a dividend for at least 10 consecutive years. The final basket is QQQ, representing the NASDAQ 100. This is the aggressive growth engine of the portfolio, concentrating heavily on massive tech companies. This fund has averaged around a 20% return over the last decade, double that of the broader S&P 500. But that speed brings high volatility. During the dot-com crash of the early 2000s, this index lost more than 75% of its value. The tech index builds wealth quickly, but it only functions for investors who can hold their positions through significant market downturns without selling. The final trap investors face is psychological. Many hold their cash, waiting for the news to signal the absolute bottom of a crash before they buy in. This chart maps the panic of major market shifts, from the 2008 banking collapse, to the 2020 lockdowns, to the 2025 tariff scares. Fear routinely convinces the public to stay on the sidelines. Because the market often surges upward immediately following a major scare, waiting for a perfect entry point significantly lowers your total returns. The solution is a strict execution rule known as ABB, always be buying. You buy when the market is rising, and you buy when the market is falling. You set up an automated transfer. Every week or every month, a designated amount of cash moves from your checking account and is routed directly into your ETF portfolio. The single exception to the automated rule is a sharp market decline. In those moments, you manually step in to buy more shares at the lower price. Reliable wealth is built through robotic, automated consistency across decades, forcing your portfolio to grow through every market cycle.